Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a headlight bulb on a Hyundai Azera. Park the car on level ground, open the hood, disconnect the battery, and locate the headlight assembly behind the lens. Remove the retaining clip or screws, twist out the bulb socket, and pull the old bulb straight out. Handle the new bulb by the base, insert it securely, reconnect the socket and battery, and test the beam alignment before closing the hood. Start by removing any plastic covers or air intake obstructing the headlight area using a screwdriver or socket. Undo the retaining screws or clips and move the assembly if needed to reach the bulb socket. Carefully release the wiring harness clip, then twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull straight out. Inspect the socket for corrosion, clean contacts if needed, and prepare the replacement bulb to avoid touching its glass. Handle the new bulb by its base and avoid touching the glass to prevent premature failure. Insert the bulb straight into the socket and twist it clockwise until it seats firmly, then reconnect the wiring harness clip. Reinstall any retaining clips, screws, or covers and reconnect the battery. Turn on headlights to test high and low beams, adjust aiming if needed, and confirm both sides operate before finishing and enjoy improved visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.